Welcome to the YouTube Gold Rush, a new era for affiliate marketing. The digital marketing landscape is changing, and it's changing fast. It's a dynamic world, and one platform stands out: YouTube. It's no longer just a place for cat videos and music. It's a gold mine for affiliate marketing. Why? Because YouTube is where the people are. They're engaged, they're looking for information, and they're ready to buy. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is booming. Creators are cashing in by seamlessly weaving product recommendations into their content. Viewers trust their favorite YouTubers. This trust translates into powerful recommendations. Think about it. Would you rather buy from a faceless corporation or someone you've been watching for months? This isn't just a fad. It's a fundamental shift in how we consume information and make purchases. Savvy marketers are taking note. They're realizing that YouTube offers a unique opportunity to connect with audiences on a personal level. This personal touch is what drives conversions and builds brand loyalty. Let's dive into what's hot in the world of YouTube affiliate marketing. Live streams are exploding. Viewers love the real-time interaction and exclusive deals. It's like QVC for the digital age. Think about hosting live Q&As, product demos, or even flash sales. Micro-influencers are gaining traction. These creators may not have millions of subscribers, but they have something even more valuable: a highly engaged niche audience. Partnering with micro-influencers allows for targeted reach and authentic connections. Transparency is paramount. Viewers can sniff out a sales pitch from a mile away. Authenticity is key. Clearly disclose affiliate links. Provide honest reviews. Don't compromise your integrity for a quick buck. It's about building trust, not breaking it. Hold on tight, because things are about to get interesting. I'm talking about the future of YouTube affiliate marketing. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They're poised to revolutionize how we shop online. Imagine trying on clothes virtually, or experiencing a product demonstration as if you were right there in the store. Shoppable videos are about to become the norm. No more clicking through endless links. Viewers will be able to buy what they see directly within the video. Talk about convenience. This seamless shopping experience will be a game changer for both creators and brands. Personalization is the name of the game. Imagine if YouTube's algorithm could recommend products based on your viewing history, interests, and even your location. That's the power of data-driven marketing. It's about delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. Section 4: AI and the affiliate. How technology is reshaping the landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's profoundly changing the affiliate marketing game. AI-powered tools can assist you in numerous ways. They can help you identify the best affiliate products for your niche, optimize your video titles and descriptions for maximum visibility, and analyze your audience data to better understand their needs and preferences. Additionally, these tools can automate repetitive tasks, like finding relevant keywords and tracking your earnings. One of the most exciting applications of AI is in content creation. AI-powered tools can generate video ideas based on trending topics and your audience's interests. They can also write video scripts that are not only engaging and informative, but are optimized for conversions. Furthermore, they can create high-quality video edits that capture attention and keep viewers hooked. Section 5. The human touch. Why authenticity will define success. Don't get so caught up in the tech that you forget the human element. Remember, people buy from people they connect with. Focus on building genuine relationships with your audience. Be yourself, be relatable, and be passionate about the products you promote. It's not about tricking people into buying something they don't need. It's about providing value, building trust, and becoming a trusted advisor. Transparency is more important than ever. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships. Don't try to hide it. Be upfront and honest with your viewers. They'll appreciate your candor and be more likely to trust your recommendations. Remember, authenticity is the key to long-term success in affiliate marketing.